Hi guys, welcome to Run Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this tension rod that I got. This is great for your shower, or you can even use it as a room divider if you need. It's extra long. This piece already is extra long. It goes all the way up and it like doubles in size, and then it still comes with an extra 2 pieces that you can extend to it. So it can go from 70 to 110 centimeters, or you even have the extra large one that goes from 360 to 410 centimeters. So that's really big. So you can take this and divide a whole room if you want. Really easy. It comes with different sets to fit each end, and it's really simple to use. You just press the button and pull out, and then just adjust it to whatever length that you need. And it also springs also, so that way you can get a little more action. I'll show you later in the bathroom how it installs, but overall great product. Made of steel, really strong and durable, and won't easily fall. And these padded ends will protect your walls from getting damaged as well. So really great, highly recommend it, and I hope you enjoy. Bye. You can also visit Run Run Deals mobile app for even more deals.